Maple edge grain with random pieces. Random pieces. Maple walnut edge grain with random pieces. Liptus edge grain.
I like the
Cherry edge grain. Red oak edge grain with random pieces. Maple end grain. Liptus end grain. Walnut end grain. Hello, I wanted to show you a quick review of this beautiful end grain maple butcher block chopping block or cutting board. This one here is 18 by 18 by 4. It's got a radius top edge. It's got a radius bottom edge. It's made here in the United States to keep the quality up, highest quality cutting board made, and keep the cost down. Rock maple is amazing. It's got natural properties to kill bacteria and germs. You just cut and chop and cook on there. You can use this cutting board for the next 50 years. This will be handed down to generations as long as you take care of it. It's what it's all about, is maintenance and taking care of your block, oiling it monthly and keeping it dry, keep it out of the sink. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. They're all in stock at your sponsor, chefdepot.com.